live from Champion City, the state of greatness. It's J.Clark, aka Classic.
I'm number one. I stay with it. I'm number one. No competition.
We have in this corner Drip Stronghold Pomade. In the other corner, we have Ocean View. Ooh, Ocean View Stronghold Pomade. Which pomade is better? They will battle to the death. Yeah, man, it's your dude. 360 Biggie. Ooh. Shout out to my squad, Natural Elite and Kit Waves on Facebook. You know what time it is, big baby. Wave Avengers, assemble! Yeah, man. So, yo, I've gathered you guys here today, seriously, with a little funny flavor, but seriously, to talk about my favorite pomades. And you know I'm down with a lot of clicks. I got to shout out my other click, WTPD. What That Pomade Do. Say it with me again. WTPD. What That Pomade Do. So yes, I'm a strong believer in pomades because it's just really dope. It slightly moisturizes your hair based on the pomade. I don't care what nobody says, because some pomades have moisturizers in them. Bam. And then they also have other ingredients that can help your hair lay down. Some people say, just use your do-rag, blah, blah, blah. No, it's nice to have a product with some hold. You know what I'm saying? Slick down those edges, and it just helps with the process. And also some pomades also have enhancers to give you a little bit of shine. I have a video that talks about how to get shiny silky waves, and pomades contribute to that. But if your pomade isn't taking you to that next level, check out my other video. But that's not why we're here, buddy. We're here to talk about this cool Drip Stronghold Pomade by Styles by... Man, I can't read this. I think it says Styles by Rock. Sorry, bro. Don't be mad at me. But yeah, this is a really good pomade. And Ocean View Pomade by Deep Waves Professional is a really good one too. What's crazy is I've tried the Ocean View first, and it has really good hold. It really defines my waves. It's a good product. It's almost like blue magic with a little bit of naturalness. The only thing I don't like is that they keep jacking up the prices on Amazon. Shame on you. So, yeah, really good product. Smells like a barber eating a candy cane. Really good product. So I told you the positives. The negatives are that it can leave your hair really gummy, and it also has like a it can like leave a white kind of shade in your hair, and I don't appreciate that. So you have to be careful and really mix it in well. And even sometimes if you do that, it can leave that gummy, dirty, white kind of shade. Now moving on to the Drip Pomade, it almost seems like a clone of the Ocean View. It's crazy. It's like they got their secret recipe. It's got the same positives, really good hold. good smell, a little bit of shine. It's just like Ocean View, except it doesn't give my hair that gummy, dirty, white shade. It has a little less hold, little less defining, but overall I would say Drip Pomade is better. It's consistent with the price point, and it's just an overall better product. So shout out to both companies. Support them all. Ball to your fall. We out of here.